पावसा दिसांनी पणजे मळ्याचो वाठार दर वर्सा प्रमाण उदकान भरचे न्हय म्हण पणजेचे आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरातान मळ्या वाठाराची पळोवणी केली। हाचे फुडें मळा वाठारांत हुंवार येवचो न्हय म्हण सरकार पयशे मोडटा आनी काम बेगीन पुराय करपाचो यत्न चालू आसा अशें आमदार बाबूशान सांगलें। हुंवार येवपाच्या म्हयनोभर पयलीं पंप चालू जातले अशें उतर अधिकाऱ्यांनी दिलां। भरतीचे उदक भितर येवचें न्हय म्हण विजेचेर चलपी उदक आडोवपाची तरतूद करतले अशें अधिकारी सांगतात।
The WRT is carrying out the work to the smart city.
Okay.
So I just came for inspection. I think the work has been going on steadily, but I think it will carry speed, and it will be completed in time. That's the reason I was just telling that as far as the monsoon, hence for Mala area should not be flooded. The main that is the main objective of having this thing done.
How much the cost is for doing
No,
this?
I don't know.
17 crores is the cost.
Now, and they said they have already ordered for the machineries, pumps and all will be coming by the month of July. But they have got other things in place in the meantime.
So this time the Mala will not flood.
We are taking all precautions. So that's the reason we are spending this kind of money. So the Mala area should not be flooded.
How much is money spending here?
I think
Say 17 crores is the cost of the work, and we'll be fixing 5 large capacity pumps of a huge volume, and we'll be pumping around 16,000 cubic meters per hour. It is almost equal to one tank. One tank can be emptied in 1 hour. So that is the capacity what we have got, and we are going to stop the tidal water also coming inside. As the Honorable Minister suggested that all the sewerages which are coming, we'll also take interest to so that we cap those sewerages and develop this as a senior citizens.
yeah, we'll make it a senior citizens park,
So
so
that
that citizen can come and sit down here.
it serves both the purpose, protection also, and for relaxing for the people also.